Is data saver not working properly on TikTok app Lite? TikTok Lite app. If videos are using too much mobile data, the data saver the data saver setting isn't being applied, or the option isn't working as expected. These settings may help. In this video, I will show you how to fix data saver on TikTok Lite. The first thing you have to do is to go to TikTok Lite. Here in this page, we go to Profile. In this window, you will move to these three dots. Then here you will click on Settings and Privacy. After that, in this page, as you will see here, you will go to this sign off data saver. You will tap here to enable this feature and to fix this problem. So this is how it works. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.